Hi there, my name is Corey Luckner of First Class Medical, and in today's video, we're going to go over the unboxing of the GCE Zeno-Lite portable oxygen concentrator. To start off, we're going to start taking the items out of this package to show you what you're going to get when you get your GCE Zeno-Lite delivered to your home. To start off, you're going to have the GCE Zeno-Lite manual. This will always come in your package. You have a little accessory bag to put any additional accessories that you may have. Make it easy to travel around with. Of course, your custom carrying case. You'll have your shoulder strap that will go on that custom carrying case. You will receive an AC/DC power supply. So this will allow you to plug it into the wall with the AC outlet. And then you'll have the cigarette charger as well for your car. This is also going to be for the AC and DC power supply. So you will see two boxes, one being for your DC, once again for your car, the other being for your AC, so the wall outlet in your home. Of course, you will always receive your cannula, also known as the oxygen tubing. This will allow you to, of course, get the oxygen from the unit itself into your nose. And then, of course, you'll receive your lithium-ion rechargeable battery. This will charge when in the unit, when plugged into the wall or the car. And then, of course, you will have the GCE Zeno-Lite portable oxygen concentrator. Now that we've got all the items for the Zeno-Lite pulled out of the box, I'd like to show you how to set up your Zeno-Lite for the first time use. You're gonna have your unit here. On the bottom here, you're going to have a little latch. Pull that latch, the cover will now come off. This is where we're gonna put our lithium-ion rechargeable battery. You'll see here that this will just slide on in. You hear a beep letting you know that the unit is now knows it has a battery put in and it's receiving some power. We're going to put that cover back on. It will click right in. You'll hear it click. You can also kind of wiggle around, make sure it's in tight. We're going to now put the case on this unit. Case is very nice. It will let you use the unit while it's in here. Charge it as well, so you have all the options here. You'll see here, I'm going to actually zip this up first because this will allow it to stay in the case itself. But you'll see here you have access to your cannula port, which I'll put the cannula in here in a sec. And then you have access to the charging port as well, just in the back here, so that you can have it in the case and use it with your AC and DC power supply. Of course, you'll have your cannula that will come in, that oxygen tubing. That's just gonna go right in here. Make sure that's on snug. And now, you'll be able to put this around your ears and in your nose and start being able to use your GCE Zeno-Lite portable oxygen concentrator. Now to power on the GCE Zeno-Lite, we're just going to press the power button here. You only have to just click it real quick. You'll hear the beeps go off, letting you know that now the unit's turning on. You'll see here it says Zeno-Lite. In just a couple more seconds here, you're going to hear this unit come on. Unit's now on. There's multiple options here that we're going to look at. You're going to have a battery life option here that you can just click. It's going to be showing you the battery life. So this exact battery has 90% battery life. If you click it again, this is pretty cool. Not really, it's one of the only units that does this. It actually will tell you the amount of battery cycles that it's gone through. A cycle being fully depleted and fully charged. Typically one battery is going to offer you about 500, on average 500 cycles. So you'll be able to know how many cycles that battery was put through. Pretty cool feature there. You're going to have your alarm button here. The light is off. It means that if alarm does go off, it's going to let you know, it's going to make noise. If you click that button, you'll see the light on here. That's now gonna make sure that if there is an alarm, it's not gonna make loud noises and let you know. So that's up to you to use. I recommend to have it where you can hear any alarms that come off. Now, right now you're gonna hear some beeping in perfect timing because I want to explain to you. Right here to the left, you're gonna have lights. One light's gonna actually, the green on top is gonna let you know when the oxygen's coming out of the cannula port itself. Right now, you'll see the alarm coming off and you'll hear that noise. That's actually just letting me know that the cannula is not in the unit. So great unit to make sure that you know what's going on. I'm gonna turn that off for now. As you can see, so perfect example to see how that alarm works. We're gonna have the plus and minus here. Plus, of course, allowing you to go up in settings. This unit's gonna go from a 1 up to a 5 for oxygen settings. It's unlike any other unit out there. It goes down in half settings versus full settings. So you can get a little bit more exact with the oxygen you're looking to get, which also can help out with some battery life as well. But it will go down to a setting of 1. It's one of the quietest units out there, as you can kind of tell if you've been listening as I've been talking. Not very easy to hear. Great for those that are maybe want to go to a movie theater or of course looking to travel. It's a great all-in-one unit with size and with just features itself. The last thing I want to show you is just powering off the unit. You'll just hold this button for a couple seconds. That's that power button. Give it a few seconds and this unit will now go off. It'll also let you know on the screen that it is shutting off. The dimensions of the GCE Zeno-Lite are 9.25 inches in height, 3.8 inches in depth, and 9.8 inches in width. The GCE Zeno-Lite weighs just 5.5 pounds, making it one of the lightest weight portable concentrators that we carry. The Zeno-Lite itself will go from a setting of 1 up to setting of 5 for oxygen settings, and it goes up by increments of 0.5, giving you basically 10 different settings to work with. It's one of the quietest units on the market with just a sound level of 37 decibels. And the batteries, once again, they're lithium ion rechargeable batteries. These batteries are gonna last 4 hours each on a setting of 2. And you'll typically receive in your package at least 2 batteries. You have options if you want 1, and you also have options if you want to go longer than that. This unit is amazing for those, as I said earlier, that want a quiet unit. Maybe you're going to church or the movie theater and you don't want to be too loud with those, trying to pay attention to the movie or are in church. And once again, you just want to make sure you have a quiet unit. Amazing for that, being one of the quietest units. Being only 5.5 pounds and having the custom carrying case with the shoulder strap is going to make it very easy and convenient for you to carry around and travel with. And speaking of traveling, with a 4-hour battery and then being able to have multiple of these smaller batteries, you're going to be able to travel basically anywhere you want. And with the GCE Zeno-Lite, once again, it charges in the wall when you use it at home while you're watching a movie, or charges in a car and a cigarette lighter when you're driving around. So you can keep this unit basically powered up all the time. It's an amazing unit for those that are looking to travel and just run errands and basically do anything that you want to do. To watch the comparison videos of the GCE Zeno-Lite versus our other portable concentrators, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when these videos go live. Also, make sure to join our private Facebook group where you can interact and ask questions with other oxygen users like yourself. Most importantly, if you're in the market for the GCE Zeno-Lite or any of our portable oxygen machines, make sure to give us a call at the number below. Our respiratory specialists are here to answer any questions that you may have and make sure that they guide you to the best portable concentrator for your needs. Once again, call the number below or visit our website at www.first, and that's the number 1 ST, that's www.firstclassmed.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.